Education is the key to a bright future. Empowermefirst.college.
Hello, now we are checking the divisibility rules by 3, 6, and 9. I put them together because they are very simple and can be checked easily. As you can read, starting with the numbers 3 and 9, for example, the, the number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. And the number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digits is divisible by 9. What does this mean? Let's take the number 252. To check its divisibility by 3, I simply do this. 2 plus 5 plus 2, which gives me 9. I know that 9 equals 3 times 3. That means 3 divides 9, and this means that it is divisible by 3. So I can say 252 is divisible by 3. That means the 3 is the factor of 252. Or if I do the long division of 252 by 3, I should get a remainder 0, which will be here obvious. I can do it. 25 by 3 is 8. 8 times 3, 24. Remainder 1. Take 2 down. 12 by 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. I got a remainder 0. So this proves the divisibility of 252 by 3. From now on, we don't need the long division because we just do the checking by adding the digits. Again, 2 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 9. And I know that 9 equals 1 times 9. In a very similar way, I can say that 252 is divisible by 9, simply because the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Now, if we take 6, how do I check by 6? The number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and by 3. This is an even number because it has a units digit 2. This means this number is divisible by 2. And I already checked that this number is divisible by 3. Having these two can prove for me that 252 is divisible by 6. Let's take another example in which the number is divisible by something but not something else. So I take the number 3585. I want to check the divisibility by 3. What I do is I add all its digits again, and I see that it is 3 plus 5, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 5, 21. 21 equals 3 times 7, which means this number is divisible by 3. Now, if I check 9, because the sum of the digits is 21, 21 is not a multiple of 9, so it is 3585 is not divisible by 9. Now I will check 6. If I look at the units digit of this number, which is 5, I see that the number is odd. And because the number is odd, this means it's not divisible by 2. 2 does not divide this number. I cannot cut it into two equal groups evenly, so the number is not divisible by 6. This is the simple way to check divisibility. Again, by 3 and by 9, I add the digits, and the sum of the digits should be a multiple of them, either 3 or 9. And by 6, the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time to be divisible by 6.